15 classic cars, prices starting at just $2,000, and some of them could be hidden treasures. But which one would you take home?
Welcome back. Today, we're checking out 15 affordable classic cars, including American muscle, vintage trucks, classic Mopars, iconic Volkswagen Beetles, and even a rare AMC Marlin. Some of these classics are ready to drive, while others are waiting for the right person to bring them back to life. So sit back, enjoy the list, and let's see which classic car deserves a spot in your garage.
Car number 1. (1966) Buick LeSabre Custom Sedan, $7,000. Starting off the list, we have this 1966 Buick LeSabre Custom Sedan, located in Fort Worth, Texas. This classic Buick shows around 77,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. Finished in green inside and out, it has that big, unmistakable full-size American car look from the 1960s. According to the seller, the car is running and has had work done to the engine. It also comes with a title in hand. There are not many other details provided, but at $8,000, this could be worth checking out for someone looking for a big Buick cruiser with a running engine and a solid starting point for further restoration or weekend driving.
Car number 2, 1956 Chrysler New Yorker, $7,650. Next up is the stylish 1956 Chrysler New Yorker, listed in Odessa, Texas. This big 1950s Chrysler is described as being in good overall condition, and the engine does run. However, it still needs a battery, carburetor work, and brake work before it can be considered road-ready. The seller originally listed it at $8,500, with the price now reduced to around $7,650. With its bold mid-50s styling and large Chrysler presence, this could make a great restoration project for someone willing to finish the mechanical work.
Car number 3, 1953 Plymouth Cranbrook, $6,000. At number 3, we have a 1953 Plymouth Cranbrook with a manual transmission. The seller describes this car as being in extremely good condition and says it is basically like new. Even better, it comes with its original title. The main issue is the fuel tank, which needs to be replaced. The seller tested the engine using a separate bottle of fuel, and according to the listing, the car ran well. Because of the fuel tank issue, the car will need to be towed after purchase. But at $6,000, this could be an interesting opportunity for someone looking for a mostly complete early 50s classic with one major issue standing between it and getting back on the road.
Car number 4, 1952 Packard 200, $5,000. Here we have a beautiful piece of post-war American luxury, a 1952 Packard 200 4-door. Under the hood is a 288 cubic inch straight-8 engine paired with a classic 3-speed manual transmission on the column. This Packard has already received several useful upgrades, including a 12-volt conversion, new tires, brakes, shocks, and completely new wiring. According to the seller, the engine runs well and has plenty of power. At just $5,000, this could be one of the more interesting values in the lineup for someone who wants a large vintage cruiser with a unique straight-8 engine and some important mechanical work already completed.
Car number 5, 1966 Chevrolet Biscayne, $4,500. Closing out Part 1 is this 1966 Chevrolet Biscayne 4-door, priced at $4,500. This classic Chevy is powered by a straight-6 engine and uses a 3-speed manual transmission on the column. The seller says the car runs and drives, although the exact mileage is unknown. It also comes with several parts that still need to be installed, including floor pans, carpet, and door panels. The car has a clean title and is being sold as a cash-only deal. For someone looking for an affordable, full-size 1960 Chevrolet project, this Biscayne could be a solid starting point. It already runs and drives, and with some interior and restoration work, it could become a cool, old-school cruiser. So far, which one would you choose? The big Buick? The stylish Chrysler? The straight-eight Packard? Or the affordable Chevy Biscayne?
Car number 6, 1967 Ford Fairlane Squire wagon, $8,000. Kicking off part 2, we have something you don't see very often, a 1967 Ford Fairlane Squire wagon. This green wagon is powered by a 302 V8 paired with a classic 3-speed manual transmission on the column. According to the seller, it still retains much of its original character, including the original paint and interior, both showing some great old-school patina. The good news is that it runs and drives, and the transmission is said to shift great. At $8,000, this Fairlane wagon could be a cool project for someone looking for a vintage family hauler with plenty of personality. Whether you restore it, preserve the patina, or turn it into a custom cruiser, this wagon appears to have plenty of potential.
Car number 7. $1964 Ford truck, $5,000. Next is this 1964 Ford truck, listed in Cushing, Oklahoma, for $5,000. Under the hood is a 292 V8, and the truck has recently received a new set of wheels. According to the seller, the body is in good condition. The truck is said to run, although it hasn't been started or driven in a little while. There aren't many additional details in the listing, so this is definitely one that would need a closer inspection. But for someone looking for a simple old Ford truck with V8 power and a reportedly good body, it could be an interesting project or restoration candidate.
Car number 8, 1967 Chevrolet Custom C10, $3,000. Here's an affordable classic truck project, a 1967 Chevrolet Custom C10. This orange small window pickup has a 350 V8, but it is not currently running. The seller says the engine turns over, but there is no spark, which could potentially make this a relatively straightforward diagnosis, or it could lead to more work, depending on the condition of the electrical and ignition systems. With around 83,830 miles listed and an asking price of just $3,000, this C10 could be an attractive starting point for someone who wants a classic Chevy truck and isn't afraid to get their hands dirty.
Car number 9, 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, $5,200. At number 9, we have a serious 1965 Ford Mustang Resto Mod project. This is far from a stock Mustang. The car has been fitted with a 4.6-liter DOH V8 from a 1996 Mustang Cobra paired with a T5 manual transmission through a QuickTime bell housing. Other installed upgrades include a 4.8.8-inch limited-slip rear end, Mustang 2 front suspension, and frame connectors. The seller says nearly the entire body has been rebuilt, with the exception of the doors and trunk lid. There are also plenty of parts included but not yet installed, such as the standalone engine harness, dolphin gauges, fuel pump, electrical components, and replacement left rear quarter panel. However, the car still needs seats and safety equipment, and the title situation will need to be handled by the next owner. At $5,200, this could be an exciting project for someone who wants a classic Mustang with modern V8 performance and is ready to finish the build.
Car number 10. $1962 Ford Ranchero, $4,000. Closing out part 2 is this 1962 Ford Ranchero, offered for $4,000. This purple Ranchero is powered by a 6-cylinder engine and a manual transmission. According to the seller, it runs, but it still needs some repairs before it can be fully enjoyed. The brakes need attention, there is wiring that needs to be repaired under the dashboard, and the interior is missing door panels and a headliner. The floorboards have also been repaired with sheet metal.
The positive side is that it comes with a clean title, and for someone looking for a unique classic project, the Ranchero offers the best of both worlds, a vintage car up front and a small pickup bed in the back. At $4,000, it could be a fun project for someone willing to tackle the remaining mechanical and cosmetic work. Which one would you choose from this group? The rare Fairlane wagon, the classic C10, the V8 swapped Mustang, or the unique Ford Ranchero?
Car number 11, 1963 Volkswagen Beetle, $3,500. Next up is a 1963 Volkswagen Beetle, and this one is definitely aimed at someone who enjoys working on their own classic. The car comes with a single-port engine that is mostly complete but needs a bearing for piston number 3. The transaxle shifts through the gears, although second gear can occasionally pop out. Some work has already been done, including an upgraded brake master cylinder, a cleaned fuel tank, a new carburetor, and attention to the electrical system. The seller may also include a pair of full-length replacement floor pans if the price is right. The body and existing floor pans are rough and will need metalwork, but for a DIY enthusiast looking for an old-school Beetle project with plenty of character, this could be an interesting starting point. Price, $3,500.
Car number 12, 1960 Chevrolet Impala, $5,000. Here's a 1960 Chevrolet Impala, offered at $5,000. According to the seller, this car has been in the family and they are the third owner. It has around 40,000 miles listed and is said to be in good shape for a car from 1960. It comes with a new trunk lid and hood, although the car reportedly has not been started in about 2 years. That means this one should probably be treated as a project until its mechanical condition is fully checked. Still, an early 1960s Impala at this price could be an interesting restoration candidate, especially for someone looking for a classic with family history. Price, $5,000.
Car number 13, 1966 Volkswagen Beetle, $6,000. This 1966 Volkswagen Beetle has received some serious custom upgrades. It features a dual carburetor setup, front and rear airbag suspension, and a 4-wheel disc brake conversion. The seller is also including several extra parts, including an air compressor, roof rack, car cover, and additional body parts. The downside is that the engine currently isn't running correctly. It makes popping noises but won't fully start, and the seller believes the problem may involve the timing or the air and fuel setup. So this is not a ready-to-drive Beetle, but the expensive suspension and brake modifications could make it appealing to someone who wants a customized VW project. Price, $6,000. Car number 14, 1966 Plymouth Fury, $2,000. For just $2,000, this 1966 Plymouth Fury could be one of the more affordable Mopar projects on the list. It has a 318 V8 and an automatic transmission, but the engine is currently seized from sitting. The seller believes the car has potential to become someone's next classic with some mechanical work, and importantly, it comes with a title. At this price, you're looking at a true project, but for someone who wants a big classic Mopar and doesn't mind bringing a dormant engine back to life or replacing it altogether, this Fury could be worth a closer look. Price, $2,000.
Car number 15, 1966 AMC Marlin 327 HO, $6,000. And finally, we have something you don't see every day, a 1966 AMC Marlin with the 327 engine. This is an all-original and relatively rare classic, and it even comes with factory power windows. The seller required 2 Marlins through a trade and decided to keep only one. The car does not currently run, mainly because it is missing its carburetor. However, it is described as complete aside from that, with the trim and badges included. The brown exterior isn't actually the original finish. The seller says it's a protective coating, with the original white body underneath. There is some rust, but the car is described as solid and repairable, and it comes with a clean title. For anyone looking for something different from the usual Mustang, Camaro, or Chevelle project, this unusual AMC could be a very interesting restoration. Price, $6,000.
And that's the list of 15 classic cars for sale. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next collection of classic cars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.